kind of coffee-ish. No? Is it?
Yeah, Gavin don't like it.
Huh? So, out of the two snips, I prefer this one compared to
The
the
cheese, I'd say yeah.
Alright, what's the next one?
Okay, so we can try the cookies that we have in Lebanon. They're called dabke, and it's a Lebanese brand which is called the gandour.
Wait,
Gandour.
Gondor.
Yeah.
Gandour.
Okay, and like dabke,
Dabke.
that's like the name of our most famous dance,
Oh, okay.
which is like we hold each other's hands and we just dance, like move our legs.
Okay.
Okay? So that's dabke.
No dance classes today, guys.
I was gonna say, we're gonna have to do a tutorial.
So one is original flavor and the other one has lukum, and it's called in Arabic raha. It's just it's like a substance that you add to the cookies and it makes it more better.
Lukum.
Yeah, it's rose water actually. You
What
can
is
try
this?
it. Rose water.
Rose water. Oh, that's outside.
Yeah.
It smells
Flowery.
flowery.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like it?
I do like it, but it is interesting.
You wanna try the original
It is
one?
super thorough. It's like you're eating a perfume.
Yeah, Gavin did not like it. it's like eating Gucci perfume.
It's like imagine yourself walking to a boutique store or something like that.
Walking
and
through
you
Macy's
get
and it's spraying into your
big
face.
whiff, and then all of a sudden that's all you taste.
Fruit spray? Sure.
Gavin did not
That
like
was
The
it.
lighter one.
Alright, so that was the original that we just tried.
Mm-hmm. No,
Oh, that
we
was
tried
the
the one with
rose.
the lukum
Okay,
with the
that was
rose,
the-
and now
okay.
that's the original.
This is the original.
Oh, it's just the
Okay.
original. It smells lemony.
Yeah.
This is good.
It's good. It's actually one of my favorite cookies in Lebanon.
It does remind me of like the loaf lemon cookies
Yeah.
here.
That I prefer the original over the rose
Yeah.
water.
Now we got the butter cookies. They're just regular cookies. We're gonna try it. So they're called cookies bizibde.
Cookies bezibde.
Yeah. Zibde
Got it.
means butter in Arabic.
Bezibde means what?
Butter. It's also... Never mind. It's like premium cookies.
It look like those cookies that come in the tin. You know that metal tin that your
Yeah.
grandma have that has sewing stuff in it.
I think you're gonna have to get a way closer to you.
Yeah, I'm gonna zoom in on it.
Alright, that's how it looks.
Don't make it fall. I just said it.
Uh-oh.
I think I jinxed it. It fell.
Alright, let's go.
Look good right off the bat. Coconut kind of smelling, so that already says yum.
The aftertaste is yummy.
Not bad.
I can smash all those.
I can hear the butter aftertaste. You can taste the butter.
Yeah.
That's good.
That is good.
Now we have from Gandour as well. This is one of the most famous chocolate in Lebanon. It has many flavors actually, and it's called Tutti Frutti.
Tutti frutti.
Tutti Frutti.
We have a tutti frutti back home, but it's like a cake.
Oh, okay. And it comes in 4 flavors. It has strawberry, it has raspberry, it has pineapple, and orange. that's how the chocolate comes like.
So you get to know which one.
So yeah, just random.
Oh, see,
Oh, I was gonna say, so which one, how do you know? Are they all green?
when you buy it, that's when you know.
Yeah, it's all green. Yeah, you have to bite it to know.
Oh no, this is suppose you don't like a certain, suppose you don't like strawberries, you gotta pick through it. Let's see.
Yes. Be brave.
I'm gonna guess.
Here we go.
This is a raspberry.
I have a raspberry too.
I got raspberry.
Me too. You like it? What do you get?
Yeah, it's
Pineapple?
good.
I think so.
It looks like
Yeah,
pineapple.
pineapple.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, or orange.
That's
I
pineapple.
think it's pineapple. It tastes, it's not orangey.
You like it?
It's good.
I like
I mean, I like the chocolate too.
Yeah.
I like it. This is good. Yeah, that one is good.
And your lactose kills, so
Yeah.
it should be fine.
Alright, now we have roasted peanuts as well. But like they're called kri kri. Kri kri.
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 Clean.
Kri kri. So it's double kri. It's called kri kri. It's peanuts.
Kri.
Yeah.
Kri kri.
I actually like the orange one. It has like cheese on it.
So this is like a mixed nut ball. I'm gonna zoom in on this thing, but I'm not gonna make it fall.
So we got.
Yeah, it's just like a medley.
Let me try one of these ones.
The one that just like has cheese on it. Wait, there's a peanut inside this?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna like it.
You don't like peanuts?
I don't like treats like that with peanuts inside of it.
You can try it.
I'm gonna, but
Well, there's definitely some good trail, hiking food.
it's not bad. It's like it's exactly like you said. Cashew.
I don't know what's. Oh, sorry.
Cashews. Cashews are nice and
Yeah, they're nice and soft. So another thing we have, I don't know what it's called. I think it's chickpeas, but like we roast them with sugar and some flavors. So I'm gonna let them taste it.
Gus has to go figure out if he likes that cookie or not. Hold lettuce.
so chickpeas. I cooked chickpeas the other day with curry tofu. I've never had it like as a roasted snack before. It said this is sugar.
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna say that looks like powdered sugar covered, maybe.
Yeah.
I've had plenty of the hummus, but I've never had.
I don't even like hummus.
Oh wow.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's actually called, in Arabic, it's called dame.
Dame.
Edame.
Dame.
Yeah, edame. Exactly.
That was actually not bad. That was good.
Alright, the last thing we're gonna try is
Did you eat the other one? It just takes it and goes.
those cookies. It has, we have a vanilla flavor and we have a strawberry
He's gonna
flavor.
inspect it further and try it out.
These are wafers.
Come back.
Yeah, these are wafers. What do you call them?
We just call them cookies.
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 Yeah.
What we call that's a wafer.
Yeah, strawberry and vanilla.
Yeah.
Alright. It's also wafers. Like some people call them
You
wafers.
guys call
I just like call them.
cookies.
Cookies.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is a vanilla. That's soft and chewy. Most wafers I have back home, they're more crisp. It's more crunchy.
Oh.
But these are good.
Do you like them?
It's like an aftertaste.
We're gonna try the vanilla one, the strawberry one now.
It's a bottle of water.
It has like coconut after flavor, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I tasted something different. I don't know.
It's pretty slight, pretty mellow. The flavor profile in general for that one was not as
No,
punchy as what I thought it would have been.
gotta clean up all
It's
of this.
just regular vanilla.
Gus is gonna clean up all of this.
So, let's see what the strawberry tastes like.
Let me give you a big one.
That's weird.
That's it.
You like it?
I think I like everything here. I haven't
You
done
didn't.
anything that I didn't like.
So the final thing we're gonna try is.
Wait, we're not trying these?
Yeah, we still have more chocolate.
Oh, okay.
So the final thing we're gonna try is biscolata, and
What?
that's biscolata. That's the brand
Biscolata.
name.
No,
It's like
wait
a
until you
biscotti.
give me one.
Yeah,
Biscolata.
it's like chocolate with some cookies,
Oh, okay.
and it's just star shaped. It's so cute
Oh,
and small, and like it's so cute, and I like this chocolate so much.
Biscolata.
Chocolata, that's how we call this
Chocol-
chocolate. Chocolata.
Chocolata.
Yeah, chocolata.
Chocolata.
It's a lot of stuff.
That's cool. You can't have that one. No chocolate for the dogs.
Well, that one's not bad.
Again, the chocolate's super good, super rich.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna let you try this one. It's a chocolate with some caramel inside it.
Ooh, caramel. What's this? How you say this? Nyang?
Nayang.
Nyang.
Yeah.
You can't
That
have the
last one
Nyang.
was sweet.
I was.
Alright. Let's try this out. It's probably gonna be good.
She gave us this one to open because she knew she couldn't open it. Okay, I got it. Chocolate smells good. It's soft. Like you bite it, it doesn't crunch, just bite. Very soft.
Kind of coffee-ish? No? Or is it?
Yeah, Gavin don't like it.
Huh? I'm sorry, that was a little for me.
It's not nice.
Just because, yeah, Gavin's not a big fan of coffee.
Is coffee in there?
It kind of tastes like it.
That one is a no for me.
But you got a coffee tasting
Alright.
profile.
I don't
I
like
like it. It's good.
I'm sorry. There had to be one that I didn't like.
It's okay.
That's nice. That's not
Yeah, I
for
guess
me.
that's it.
That's it? That's all of them?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let me pick out my top three. Well, it's hard because they're
Which
chocolates and they're chips.
Let me see the barbecue.
Oh yeah, you didn't try these two are good.
These two.
And I think you didn't try
Yeah,
this one either.
So we got these.
Okay, these I prefer.
Crispies.
I really like this one.
That tastes like a barbecue.
Yeah, this is barbecue more.
This tastes like something came straight off the grill.
Yeah,
Try this one.
Gavin like this one so.
Yeah, this is. I'm keeping this one.
Okay.
You're not getting this one. So these are mine. I like these three.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that one's like roasted corn. Like that's the weirdest way I've ever seen corn done.
Okay, so those that reminds me of like something that might be like in a little trail mix thing, like the
Yeah,
little
yeah.
tiny thing. I personally normally skip over those ones.
I don't like it.
Or I might just have it in a big handful with all the other stuff I like.
To hide it.
Yeah, so I will tell you my favorite three. This one, that's what I always eat. And then the dabke, the original favorite, not
Not the
the
rose
other
water.
one, the rose water. And the cookie chocolate because it reminds me of my childhood.
Yeah. You used to have these a lot.
Yeah.
That was
What do
very
you
good.
like?
What are your top three?
So I definitely like the cheese.
The French cheese.
I like.
How do you say French cheese again?
جبنة فرنسية.
Jibne Francia.
Fernicia. Zuni Fernicia.
Yeah.
These cookies were definitely bomb. The butter. Honestly, they're all like
They all have their own.
really good. The only thing
Yeah.
I really, I guess, would be these would be the least favorite.
Least favorite.
Because I mean they're small.
Clearly, this was my least favorite. I
Um,
don't like that one.
I actually really like this, but I'm taking it easy because again I didn't take any of mine. So
Yeah, this
Alright.
that was my favorite. So, all right, give us a closing in Lebanese.
شكرا لأنه تفرجتوا على هيدا الفيديو و that means thank you for watching our video. So
Alright,
say thank you شكرا.
so you say thank you in English is American. You say it in Arabic, and I'll say it in Patois.
Okay.
All right. Thank you guys for watching. As usual, make sure you like and subscribe.
شكرا جميعا على المشاهدة. اعملوا معروف، اعملوا سبسكرايب واعملوا لايك على الفيديو. شكرا.
You don't know. Thanks for watching the video. Do the right thing. Click the like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And share the video with your friend then. You see me?
Thank you.
This, we shall do many more. Next video is going to be some Jamaican snacks. What do you guys think about that?
Yeah.
They need to try some Jamaican snacks.
Alright.
So we'll do that in the next video. So, like, there are more videos somewhere. Watch one of them and we'll see you next time.